In this video, you'll learn how to unenroll from a Udemy course. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to successfully remove yourself from any course you may no longer wish to continue. Begin by navigating to the Udemy website. Ensure you are signed into your account by locating the upper right corner of the home page. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for the My Courses section. This can be found on the main dashboard or in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Click on My Courses to view all the courses you are currently enrolled in. After you enter the My Courses section, locate the course you wish to unenroll from. Each course will be displayed with its title and a brief description. Identify the specific course and then click on it to open the course details page. On the course details page, find the Actions button or menu. This is usually situated near the course title or in a sidebar. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled unenroll, remove from my courses. Click this option to initiate the unenrollment process. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to enroll from the course. If a confirmation prompt appears, review the message carefully. Confirm your decision by clicking on the unenroll or yes button. This step is crucial to finalize your request. After this action, you should see a notification indicating that you've successfully unenrolled from the course. Keep in mind that unenrolling from a course means you will lose access to all the materials and content associated with it. Additionally, if you have completed any assignments or quizzes, those results may also be lost. It's advisable to consider this before finalizing your unenrollment decision. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.